Step into the 2013 Toyota Tundra 4WD truck grade. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include 4-wheel drive, tow hooks, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels, MP3 player, auxiliary audio input, split bench seat, pass-through rear seat and adjustable steering wheel. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.